Hey guys, this is my APS ACP. This is the pistol I use with my sniper, and we're gonna upgrade her today. Hey guys, this is my APS ACP. We're going to be upgrading her today with a extended barrel and a new hop-up bucking, and we'll be doing the Teflon tape mod as well, is what I'm going to start doing with all my guns. Seals the bucking a lot better, so that way you don't waste air. Or FPS, if you want to put it that way. Alright, so the reason why I'm upgrading it is because I use this with my sniper. And with your sniper, you get a higher FPS limit, but you have a minimum engagement distance. So you can't shoot anyone on my fields within 100 feet. So you need something accurate within that 100 feet to take them out with. So this is why I want to make it more accurate. Let's get started. Alright, first things first, we want to take the mag out. Make sure the weapon is clear. Then here on these style, you pull the two tabs down, pull the hammer back, and push her forward. She slides right out. Take your spring out. Then you can take your barrel assembly out. Alright, the hop up and barrel is kind of hard to get out of the outer barrel, so sometimes you really gotta give it the onion. Alright, and I took my yellow tip out a long time ago because I can't stand them. All I did was heat it up and unscrewed it, and the threads are actually in here already. So, and that's what we have the threaded adapter for. So this screws into your barrel and gives you a 14mm counterclockwise threads. So this is counterclockwise as well. And get that in there nice and snug. I should probably use something to tighten this with so we don't scratch it up too bad. So I'm just using cardboard and some channel locks to try to tighten this up so it doesn't loosen up when I want to take the suppressor off. There. Alright, that's done. So now we need to disassemble the hop-up unit from the barrel. So that just takes 2 screws. Alright. So we pop this bad boy open, which I should probably use a screwdriver for. Quick. There we go. And if you've never taken it apart before, make sure you pay attention to the way it came apart, so it's easier to put back together. There we go. So we're not going to need this hop-up bucking or barrel anymore. So the new bucking came with a piece of plastic in it to keep it round, so that's kind of nice. Nice 6.03 barrel. Slide the bucking on. Make sure we have it seated properly and the nub sits perfectly in the window. And then the Teflon tape mod's very simple. All it does is just help the bucking to seal around the barrel so all the air goes in the barrel and not out the outside. And you want to keep it close to the edge because you don't want to push on your hop-up nub. So, and just a couple of wraps will do it. Yeah, I'm a master plumber, so I have this stuff laying around everywhere. And there we go. Now let's fit it into our hop-up unit. The nub goes towards the open part here. And we'll put your hop-up arm. My hop-up arm, when I bought this from E-Bike on their $65 random blowback pistol. And I couldn't get the BBs to hop because this little piece here was bent, so it wasn't actually pulling it down. So yeah, if you guys have any problems with that, that could very well be the issue. There, just want to get that straight, and we'll set her in. And there we go. Make sure it's all working properly. And screw back in. And make sure that the hop-up moves the way it should. All right. And now we'll just reassemble. Come on, you can do it. So difficult. There we go. All right. Install it in. Oh, wow. Smart guy. And that's what you call a fail. Do not put the adapter on before you try to put the barrel in, because it won't fit. Slide that in. Put your spring on. Now you can thread her in. And remember, it's counterclockwise, so lefty tighty, righty loosey. Sounds weird as heck. Get that nice and tight. As well as the suppressor is the same way. Mock suppressor. Barrel extension cover. Boom. And I think I'm gonna throw some Loctite on that to get the writing to sit perfectly, so it looks nice. And there we go. Upgraded pistol. Now we should chrono this bad boy, make sure we're under the limit. Alright guys, we're gonna be using Valken Tactical 0.20 gram BBs for the chrono test. Got a brand new CO2 in her. Let's see what she can do. 424, 426, 422, 421, 437, Jesus, 440, 430. Well, all right, 431. That's what you get with a CO2 pistol with an extended barrel that is tight bore. Looks like I'm gonna have to cut the barrel down a little bit to get it down to legal FPS, which is 400 at our field, at most fields as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. If you could throw a like in there, maybe some comments, hit that subscribe button, that'd be great. Thanks guys, see you on the next one.